Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a voting poll on Google Form. So from here, let's start and create a blank one. And then let's put a title on our voting poll form. Let's say best dessert for our trip. And then let's go ahead and add some options, and you can choose to add a question. What's the best dessert for you? Let's say ice cream. This is very basic. Just to show you options, you can click on this icon to add photos, either from your computer or from the internet. So let me go ahead and add one. Ice cream, insert pizza. Let's put a pizza photo. All right. Then let's say for the last one, cake. And let's put a photo. All right. So once you've got all of the options in your poll, go ahead and click on Settings. And then let's go to Responses. And then go to Limit to 1 response and toggle it on. Now once you have that on, let's go ahead and click Preview the eye icon on your top right. And then this is how it looks like when you send the form link to the people you want to answer. So let's click ice cream and click submit. Now when you go back to your form and click on responses, it will show you how many have voted for each option you have. And that's it. And that's how you create a voting poll on Google Form. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.